What if I told you pretending to be someone else could literally change how your brain fires? Not metaphorically. Literally. Your thoughts, your emotions, even your identity, reshaped just by playing a role. Sounds like science fiction, right? But there's an experiment that proves it. And by the end of this video, you might never look at pretending the same way again. Imagine this. You walk into a lab. Researchers hand you a white lab coat. You're told, this is a doctor's coat, put it on. Now they ask you to do a series of focus-based tasks. Here's where it gets wild. Your attention improves. Your error rate drops. Your brain starts behaving more like a doctor's. But here's the twist. They later bring in a second group. Same white coat. This time they say, this is a painter's coat, same tasks. But no performance boost. Exact same coat. Just a different belief about who you're pretending to be. That's a real 2012 study called Enclothed Cognition. And it's just the beginning. So what's going on here? When you pretend to be someone else, your brain doesn't just role play. It rewires your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for attention, decision-making, and even moral reasoning. In another study, researchers asked participants to write from the perspective of Albert Einstein, a symbol of intelligence. Guess what happened? Participants literally scored higher on cognitive tasks after the role play. Their self-perception shifted, and their brain followed. This effect is so powerful it has been used in therapy, education, even trauma recovery. When I first read this, I laughed a little. Because growing up, I used to mimic movie characters, thinking I'd be braver, smarter, cooler. Turns out, I wasn't wrong. You see, the brain doesn't care if the identity is real or imagined. If you believe it hard enough, your brain starts acting like it's true. Pretending, when done intentionally, is a form of rehearsal, not just for behavior, but for becoming. So how can you use this? Try this. Next time you need to be confident, pretend you're someone who would be. Before a high-stakes moment, write from the voice of someone who'd succeed. Facing fear? Put on a symbolic item of courage. It's not about faking it. It's about triggering different circuits in your brain and letting those circuits train you. What this experiment taught me is this. You're more fluid than you think. Your identity is not fixed. It's shaped, day by day, by what you focus on, what you wear, and even who you imagine yourself to be. So if pretending can reshape the brain, what story are you rehearsing today?